friends, so today I will be tackling something super important, hair cutting for kids. Who does it? I have trimmed, cut the hair of my son who's now 8-year-old, but I've been doing that for a year and a half since the start of pandemic, and I've tried scissors and I've tried clippers, and here's what I have to say. And as much as we think that scissors are safer, no, it's not. Clippers are the safest way to go, and I'll show you how. For this tutorial, I will be using JRL Hair Clipper, which I got from Hair MNL. The reason why this is my choice of tool because this is cordless. For a first-time user of this model, I find this very easy to understand. There's a power on-off button, a speed button, and a switch to adjust the blade. The clipper comes with 2 attachment combs, but guess what? You have 4 sizes, 3, 6, 9, 12 mm respectively. And it's easy to attach and detach. Without attaching the attachment combs, you've got closer shave with 2 sizes. I'll show you that later. So I have used different clippers in the past, but what's unique about this is that I can control the speed setting, and I actually can do a super close shave as you can see, so I'll try it with Kyle and let's see how it goes. If it is your first time to use a clipper, never remove the attachment combs. You can practice by starting with bigger size, let's say 6 mm, like what I'm doing right now for Kyle. Once you get more comfortable, you can flip the attachment comb to 3 mm. Yes, you won't be cutting anyone at this stage, but still, remind the person to keep still and always hold the neck and pull the skin just to make sure, like what I'm doing in this demo. Take your time, do not rush, and wipe off excess hair so that you'll have a clearer view on which part you need to shave. Now on to the sides. Still using size 3 mm, and don't forget to protect the ears. No child was harmed in this video. And here's my favorite part. You will need a comb, remove all attachment combs, and cut the rest of the hair with the way I did in this video. It takes a whole lot of practice, but you'll get a hang of it. Another round of 6 mm to make sure everything is even and clean. Lastly, this is the part wherein I'm telling myself, I'm almost done. My son calls this his front hair, and pull out your scissors and do any cut that you like. Come on, doesn't have to be perfect. At this stage, my son is so used to having me as his personal barber, but for someone who's just doing this for the first time, have someone beside you to hold the head of your child or body and always remind them not to move. I hope you learned something from me today. Enjoy your DIY haircut!